Hello friends, you're welcome to Learners World channel. Workshop safety is the topic we'll be discussing in this video episode. Workshop safety is a basic science and technology topic. Lesson focus. Lesson focus number 1, meaning of workshop. 2, meaning of workshop accident. 3, causes of workshop accident. 4, types of workshop accident. 5, workshop safety devices. 6, workshop safety rules and regulations. 7, workshop accident preventive measures and techniques. Meaning of workshop. Workshop is a building where things are made or repaired using machines and tools. Workshop is a building. It can be an enclosed building, it can be an open space building, it can have walls, it might not have walls, but one thing you know about a workshop is that things are being constructed there, things are being made there or repaired in a workshop. It has machine and it has tools that makes it a workshop. So workshop is a building where things are made or repaired using tools and machines. Meaning of workshop accident. Workshop accident is an unexpected occurrence in the workshop resulting in injury, illness, death, or loss of materials. Workshop accident, most times it is unexpected. It's an unexpected occurrence. You don't predict it. It just happens knowingly or unknowingly in the workshop. Because it happened in the workshop, we call it workshop accident. And most times it results in injury, illness, death, or loss of materials and properties. So let's define it again. Meaning of workshop accident. Workshop accident is an unexpected occurrence in the workshop resulting in injury, illness, death, or loss of material things. Okay, before we move on to discussing all the other subtopic in details, let's look at the subscribe button. If it's still red, please click on the subscribe button so you will always be able to get information of when new videos are released. Also, click the bell notification when you have subscribed. Thank you. Causes of workshop accident. What are the causes of accident in a workshop? Number 1 is over congestion. Look at the screen, look at the people, look at the environment. Over congestion, it can cause workshop accident. 2, loss of concentration. 3, inadequate lighting and ventilation. Inadequate lighting and ventilation. 4, carelessness. 5, not using safety devices. Not using safety devices. 6, playfulness. 7, slippery floors. Slippery floors can cause accident in the home, in the workshop, especially in the workshop. Is very risky. Slippery floors. 7, neglect of safety rules and regulations. 8, use of bad tools and machine. Use of bad tools and machine. Types of workshop accident. The different types of accident that occur in the workshop. 1 is fire accident. Under fire accident, it can be caused by fire and it can be caused by chemicals in the workshop. Fire accident. 2, chemical accident. That's chemicals splashing on people or on properties that can cause accident. Chemical accident. 3, body injury. Body injury accident. Safety precautions in the workshop. When you are working in the workshop, how do you keep safe in the workshop? First, what is safety precaution? Safety precaution is the care taken to prevent danger and harm in a working environment. All the care, all the safety measures you take to prevent danger and harm in a working environment. Types of workshop safety devices are: 1, personal safety devices. 2, workshop safety devices. Types of workshop safety devices are: 1, personal safety devices. Personal safety devices are those devices you wear on your body. Everything you wear on your body to keep your body safe and secure is personal safety devices. 2. Workshop safety devices are those equipment that are fitted in the workshop, fitted on the machine, or kept in the workshop to prevent accidents in the workshop safety devices. 1. Helmet. Helmet is used to protect your head. 2. Goggles and face shield goggles. Goggles is used to protect your eyes. Face shield goggles is used to protect your entire face. Boot and coats. Boot is used to protect your leg. Coat is used to protect your body. It can be overall, it can be trousers and jacket. It's used to protect your body. 4. Gloves. Gloves are used to protect your hand. Nose cap. Nose cap are used to protect cars. 6. First aid box. First aid box is always kept in any workshop. Is important in every workshop to give first aid treatment when injury occur in the workshop. 7. Fire extinguisher. Fire extinguisher. 8. Sand bucket. Sand bucket is a bucket filled with sand. Is majorly used to prevent fire accident or slippery floors or sand bucket. 9. Wet blanket or fire blanket. 10. Earplugs. Wet blanket or fire blanket is also used to prevent fire accident from spreading in a particular area. You use the fire blanket to cover the fire and the fire will stop spreading. 10. Earplug. Earplug are used to cover your ears, especially in a very noisy factory or in a very noisy workshop. You can use earplug to protect your ears from excessive noise. Safety rules and regulation. Workshop safety rules and regulation are designed to be observed to protect you from harm and danger in the workshop. What is number 1? Wear protective boots with toe cover. 2. Use the right tool for the right work in the right manner. 3. Do not carry sharp objects in your bucket. 4. Give machine your undivided attention. 5. Always switch off machine after use. Accident prevention techniques. 1. Learn and obey safety rules and regulations. How to prevent accidents in a workshop. Things you need to do to prevent accidents in a workshop. 1. Learn and obey safety rules and regulations. 2. Work under supervision by following instructions. 3. Do not use faulty tools and equipment. 4. Stop working when you are tired. 5. Report immediately any cut or injury sustained. 6. Put on appropriate safety devices. Put on appropriate safety devices. 7. Light up and ventilate workshop before you start working. 8. Switch off and unplug machines after use. 9. Give machine your full attention. 10. Avoid wet or slippery floor in the workshop. Evaluation questions. We ask ourselves this question and we try to answer it. We answer all of it so we can know how much we have learned the lesson so far. Number 1. List at least 3 causes of workshop accidents. List 3 causes of workshop accidents. 2. State 4 types of workshop accidents. State 4 types of workshop accidents. 3. List 2 types of workshop safety devices. List 2 types of workshop safety devices. 4. List 3 workshop safety rules and regulations. 5. Explain accident prevention measures. Explain accident prevention to please subscribe so you can always know when we release new videos. Also click on the bell, that way you'll be sent notification. Thank you for watching our video. We appreciate you so much. Like this video, click on the like button, subscribe if the subscribe button is still red, and share the video with your friends and relations.